What's happening? Here to give y'all a little quick review, something real quick. On the JISULIFE, what's the model of this joint? The Pro 1S handheld fan, man. This is the dopest handheld fan, man. The high-tech, modern, sleekest looking fan, bro, I have ever seen in my life, bro. And it's small, man. And it's small, and it's it pack a punch, man. It really does, man. In the box, it comes with the USB-A type, USB-C cable, and the USB-C to USB-C type cable. And come with the lanyard, the little lanyard that you tie around this part down here at the bottom. You know, you can have it around your wrist and hold it in your hand just in case you got butterfingers or something like that or whatever. But I don't think I'll be using that because I don't think I'll be dropping it or nothing like that. But yeah, man, came in this real nice, you know, box or whatever. The box is made of some nice box, man, you know, for a gift or whatever. Just, you know, it's not cheap, not a cheap box, man. This is a well thought out presentation by JISULIFE, man. And the fan, wow, I mean, I don't really, man, there's so much I can say about this little fan, man. This fan right here is so freaking awesome, man. You turn it on here, it's just a little flip of the switch, USB type C, charging, no batteries. You can charge this baby, man, and the charge lasts a long time, bro. A long time, man. Like if you running it on, I think 100, I think you're getting like 4 to 5 hours. But if you just running it like the average person, man, you getting like 18, 19, 20 hours out of this fan for the day, bro. That's like, it's crazy, man. But anyway, okay, I popped the switch and hit the button once. It shows the battery percentage, and then it goes into the level of the fan, which is 1, and it cranks up to 100. So I'm gonna gradually crank this baby up. Gradually crank it up. I mean, it blows so hard, man, you don't even need it to 100. But just in case that heat get a little crazy out there, you got options. That's crazy. It's already cool in the crib, so this is like freezing like that. This is so dope, man. Sound like a baby plane or something taking off. It's got a little noise to it, but man, when it's hot outside, noise is the last thing I'm thinking about. It's not even that noise, man. It's not irritating. Not to the point where it's irritating. Nowhere near that time. But man, the box don't even stand up. Chance, man. It's crazy, bro. That's some strong wind, man. It's crazy, bro. That's some strong wind. This is a dope fan, man. Let me crank it down so I can talk to y'all real quick before I end this. Okay. And turn that baby off. And it stands. You know, I'm glad the area where you charge it is on the back instead of the bottom, so you can place it flat. You know, plug it in for a charge and plug it into the outlet or whatever, or you know, a battery pack or something you got. Set that baby on your desktop or something while you on your laptop, computer, or whatever you're doing, man. And you got to worry about the battery running down or nothing, man, because it's so convenient, bro. And these last few days has been hot, and this has been a savior to me. You hear me? This has been a going to the mailbox, walking to the gym, taking the trash out. I got this in my hand. I got this in my hand. It's hot outside, bro. I got this in my hand. Going to the car, man. I got this in my hand, bro. I got it in my hand, and I can't keep it out of my girl's hand, so I'm gonna have to buy one, cause she ain't getting mine, bro. I think I saw like a pink one on there. I think I'm gonna, you know, surprise her and go ahead and order it and give it to her, cause this baby right here always seems to find its way in her hands, which is a problem, because what I'm looking for, I can't find it. But anyway, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. If anybody thinking about this fan, bro, what's to think about, man? When you think about heat, think about this fan. This fan will literally blow you away, bro. Literally, man. If you like me, you don't like a lot of heat, you know, you like to be cool wherever you at, man, you better get this JISULIFE, bro. JISULIFE. It couldn't have been a better name for it. Jisu gives you life in this muggy, hot heat. Get it, bro. What's to think about? You're wasting time, bro. Head over to Amazon, pick you a color, get it, man. Enjoy your summer, man. Alright, man. Like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all long, man. Y'all be safe. Peace. Love y'all, man.
Okay, so let me first say that if you're giving me this for a gift, I just wanted to tell you and show you. It comes in a really nice little gift box kind of thing. The packaging is really nice. I don't usually say that, but it is. So yeah, nice little gift box, sturdy. Even this box here that it comes in is nice. Okay, so I'll turn it on. So here's your turn on back here, and I charged it when I got it out of the box. Charged it for about an hour and a half or an hour. I think I'm about 75%. So you would just hit that little knob, 74%, and then you would turn it up with the dial to whatever speed you want. Let's see that. So that's 80. That's the speed of 84, and it is blowing, and it blows really, really nice. A lot of wind coming out of it. Let's see. Let's show you. I'm at a distance, and the towel is moving, so that's pretty powerful there. Just to show you just how strong it is, moving that box from a distance. That's a lot of wind coming at you. Yeah, Oh, there we go. Over the side it went. So, yeah. Turn it down. Let's bring it all the way down so you can control the speed that way. It comes with a USB charging cable. Just plug it in right there. And you turn it off with this little switch. Like so. And yeah, and that's it. This thing is really nice. It's got a lot of power to it. And it does a great job. Yeah, and the packaging, you really, like I said, if you want to give this as a gift, that's a perfect box for it. It's really nice. All right, there it is. I like it. Definitely recommend it. A lot of power to that little thing, and it's heavy. It's got a little weight. So that's 50%.
This moves a lot of air. Think of it as like a Dyson hairdryer without the heat. Yes, I'm doing this in the bathroom because it's the best thing I can think of to demonstrate the power. There's a nice little breeze. I would say there's like maybe a 10 mile breeze. Still moving air. This is the lowest setting. Hope that was helpful. I like how they ripped off either the Atari or the modified Pi symbol.
Dior.
I'm doing it. Oh my
Come
God.
on, bro.
Let's go.
I'm trying to put this as a review. This is gonna be a terrible video, I could tell. What you out here doing?
Okay, so turning it on is sort of weird and I had to figure it out on my own, but what you do is you turn this up and then you push this once and then it turns on and you can control how much it blows air by pushing up or down. But honestly, it's not, like, it may sound like it's blowing a lot of air because of the way the sound catches on the phone, but it is not that much. Like, I personally don't think it is useful for my needs. Like, I want to use it for the gym and I just want something stronger, so I'm gonna go with a stronger fan, and that's just my opinion.
See, I am now turning on the fan, and nothing. It just cuts off. There's nothing. I've cleaned it, I've done everything that it states to do. Unfortunately, it's not been helpful.
Selamat. Portátil. Oh, Sirama.
Yeah, the fan's pretty decent, to be fair. Got up and down. The fan itself is actually really good, to be fair.